In a dramatic escalation of regional tension, Pakistan's armed forces have intercepted and destroyed 25 Israeli-made Harop drones launched by India since last night, according to the military media wing ISPR. Using a combination of technical jamming and direct firepower, the Pakistan Army neutralized the incoming threat across multiple regions from Lahore to Karachi. ISPR said the drone strikes represent a cowardly and panicked response by India, following the destruction of 5 Indian jets and heavy losses along the line of control. India's Defence Ministry acknowledged the drone deployment, claiming it targeted Pakistan's air defence system with Harpy drone, a weapon developed by Israel for radar suppression. Lieutenant General Ahmed Sharif Chaudhry, Director General of ISPR, confirmed in a press briefing that 12 drones were shot down overnight, with one partially hitting a military installation near Lahore, injuring 4 army personnel. Tragically, a civilian lost his life in Sakha's Miano region, with another injured, underscoring the growing human toll of this intensifying conflict. Calling India's action naked aggression, Pakistan's military warned the international community of the dire risk to regional stability, with both nations on high alert the threat of wider escalation. With both nations on high alert, the threat of wider escalation looms dangerously close.